Hey, it's Miss Alana, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Tuesday, March the 15th, and this is number 3. So make sure you have your work with you and a pencil to write with, and read the domain with me. It says, I'm reading right here, number and operations in base 10. So the standard is number 3, and if you can do this, you could say these I can statements. I can read numbers to 1,000, and I can write numbers to 1,000 in different forms. So let's look at the question. It says, write this number in different ways. What number is that? Can you read that number? 429. So now we need to write it in 4 different ways. Standard form, model, expanded form, and word form. So let's start with the standard form. How can we write that number in standard form? It is in standard form. That's standard form. So all you have to do is write that number. 429. Look, just like that, 429. Now for the model, okay, no, you're not gonna, I'm a model. Not that kind of model, but we need to draw a picture using blocks, your place value blocks, your base 10 blocks. So first we need to draw 4 what? 4 400s. You draw 400s, I'm going to draw 400s as best as you can. Do your best. All right, you can count while you draw. 100, 200, 300, 400. Oh, 400, look, 100, 200, 300, 400. What's the next thing we have to draw? The 2 what? 2 tens. So draw 2 tens. I'm going to draw 2 tens. There's a 10. There's another 10. Look, 10 and 10. And then we have one more thing to draw. 9 what? 9 ones. So draw 9 ones. I'm going to draw 9 ones. I'm going to count it as we draw it together. So count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 9. And look, I don't know if you noticed, I made it like an array because I know my times table and I know 3 times 3 is 9. So look, I did 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 9. I love math. All right, so the next thing we have to do is what? Expanded form. So we start with the hundreds. How many hundreds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 400. So write 400 plus, what else do we have? Plus 10, 20. We have 20. The 2 tens make 20. So write 20 plus, what's next? The last one, 9. So I have 400 plus 20 plus 9. Oh, you can write your equal sign. Equals what? 429. Just like that. Bam. And the last thing we have to do is write it in word form. So you spell it. I'm going to spell it. Do you know how to spell these words? So we're going to write 429. All right, so I'll spell it with you while you write. 4, how do we spell 4? F-O-U-R, 100. That might be a tricky word, but I know you know how to spell it. Spell that. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. And then 29. So first we'll spell 20. Those are 2 different words. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y is how you spell 20. And then 9. Oh, 9's so easy. You could spell 9. N-I-N-E.